Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can edit your pin while you are going to upload a pin on Pinterest. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to Pinterest. Then log into your account and you can see this type of interface. You can see the create icon over here, tap on it and you can see this upload option. Just go ahead and click on this button over here, or you can just drag and drop it over here as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload this photo over here. After I upload it, if I want to edit it, you can see the pen icon over here. Before you add your title, description and all of this, you can try editing it. Just go ahead and go to edit and you can see some of the layers available here. If you want to add a new text layer, just go ahead and add it. And you can see the layers over here. If you want to lock or unlock it, you can click on this lock button over here. So let's go ahead and start editing it. I'll just go ahead and go to the canvas, and if I want to make it the size of this, I'll just go ahead and select the size, and you can see the background color over here. You can change the background color as well, and if you want to really drag and edit it, you can do that as well. This is the text section where you can see the layer over here. So you can see the text over here, and this has a quite design. You can see that you can increase or decrease the font size from this, or if you don't want this, you can just go ahead and click on delete, and this box will be deleted and only one text remains over here. Now you can see that you can also align this and change the color of the font. If you want to write whatever you want, just go ahead and enter the box and start writing what you want. So you can also see the type of text and how it looks and how it will look after you change it. So guys, this is how you can edit your pin while you are creating a pin on Pinterest. After you're done, just go ahead and click on done, click publish, and there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.